Can you see who viewed your Instagram notes? In today's video, we are going to talk about whether you can see who viewed your Instagram notes. Now you simply want to head over to the Instagram application right here, and in order to see our notes, you simply want to click on the message icon. Inside the message, we then have all of the notes of ourselves and including our followers or friends right here. And if you go ahead and click on your own note, you cannot go ahead and see who viewed your note. Now that is not a feature here on Instagram, but there are multiple ways in order to know if a person viewed your notes. Now the simplest way in order to know is that if they reply to your notes right here. If you see a reply right here called "this person replied to your note," it means that the person has seen your notes. Now the second way on how you can know if someone saw your note, if you have some followers and you also see their notes right here, that means that when they're right beside you, they have seen your notes more likely. And so guys, those are the ways on how you can know if a person viewed your notes. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time. Thank you.